So we're here asked to sketch a curve that's increasing and decreasing and then different types of concave. So we could talk about a curve that looks, up and down like this, but when I'm talking about this, like to look at a circle here because there's like four sections of a circle that I can break this down into. Because when I'm looking at, let's say, increasing and concave down, I know concave down is like an upside down U, but if it's increasing, I should look at specifically where is the whole graph increasing. And it's increasing, let's say on the circle, if I were to draw here, it's increasing from here to here because as I go from left to right, it's getting higher and higher. It's also increasing as we go from left to right along this part of the circle because as I go from left to right, it's the value is going up. So one of these is concave up and one of them is concave down. And so concave down would be this one here where we are increasing, but it is part of that upside down U shape. Whereas when we're talking about increasing and concave up, go ahead and do that in blue here. Increasing and concave up, makes that U shape and is also increasing. So here's the section that is increasing and concave up versus the fact that decreasing and concave down, well, decreasing means as I go from left to right, it is going down. As I go from left to right, it is going down. So I have two sections of this circle that are decreasing, but concave down is only going to be the part that's making the U shape that's facing downwards, whereas decreasing and concave up is going to be the part that's making the actual U. So when you look at it in terms of, the actual graphs and curves, when you think about it, increasing and concave down looks like that, whereas increasing and concave up looks like this. So as you can see, it's kind of this part of the circle. Decreasing and concave down is like this, and decreasing and concave up is like this. And again, if you take those four pieces, they kind of would be put together in the shape of a circle there. So it's just how I remember it in these four different situations.